No, you did? Oh,
Oh my goodness me, what have I got here?
You see, he's
What's up with you?
He's an old character.
No, oh my goodness, I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but
Right,
Jeffrey's being attacked by some kind of...
Tarquin, I'm sorry, I was only joking.
Not the gentleman vegetables, Tarquin.
Alright, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm sorry. Okay? Can we shake and make up? Are you going to do this seriously? Yeah? Because I'll be out of here if you don't. Okay, shake and make up.
Stupid twat.
Yeah, in your face.
Tarquin, it's my Jeffrey.
I'm only joking, Tarquin. Come on, you gotta.
Can you not punch my
Oh,
bird?
sorry. He's got to take a joke, though, isn't he?
Wait, what? Being punched in the face? That's not
I
a joke.
barely touched him.
You slapped my bird in the face.
I only touched her. Alright? Oi.
I can't help.
No, I'm well aware.
I can't help it.
Frankly, you need to take control of it.
It's nothing to do with me, to be honest. Like, you upset him, you hit him, and he's got an impressionable mind. He's a young guy.
You got a job yet, Tarquin?
Tarquin!
Tarquin, Jesus!
Tarquin!
Right.
Put it back! Put it back!
Tarquin, you little fuck! You trying to skank me?
He said you should look over there.
What's up there? Oh, Jesus Christ, Tarquin! Do you want a bit, dear? I'll cut your beak off. Yeah, I'll cut it straight off.
I'll cut you this way. I'll
Straight
cut
down
you
there.
that. I'll cut you a dime.
I'll cut your fucking beak off, won't I? Yeah, well.
He said that if I stay at your house, he's going to spit in your mouth while you sleep.
Really? Well, you can fuck
Oh,
off,
sorry,
can't you?
shit in your mouth while you sleep.
Oh, shit in my mouth whilst I sleep. Is that right? Do you know what, Tarquin? I have had a bird, a bloody seagull, not seagull, pigeon bloody poo in my coffee cup before at Paddington. Was that you?
Oh no, not in the coffee cup.
He's a flightless bird. He's not going to...
Yeah, but has ever been to Paddington?
Yeah, I've seen Paddington.
Well, did you poo in a coffee cup when you went? No? How do I know? Looks like your sort who would do that. Am I right? It is your sort.
He says he always pays to use the public lavatories.
Alright, then we'll test them out here. How much is it to use the public lavatories at Paddington?
It's 40p.
Jesus Christ. This bird knows it, isn't it? This bird bloody knows it.
This bird bloody knows it all. That's all for now.